What's up everyone, it's Jay here at the Aimless Cook, and on this week's episode we're going to continue our look at Asian lunchboxes and meal prep that we started last week with our Korean dosirak. Now this week we are going to be looking at a Thai dish called Pad Ka Prao. And Pad Ka Prao literally means stir-fried holy basil. I believe it does. Don't know. But we didn't have basil, so we're going to improvise like we always do with something different, lemongrass, which turned out awesome. So no problem. It's the quintessential kind of Thai dish, and really it is the perfect candidate for what we're doing, which is our lunch boxes, because it has everything you need in one little package. It has your protein. In this case, we're going to be using ground pork with all of the flavorings that we're going to be going through in today's recipe, as well as fresh cucumber, jasmine rice, and that lovely crispy fried egg that everyone enjoys. So we're going to explore that, and we're going to do that right now on the Aimless Cook.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to make a simple paste. So in a mortar and pestle here, I'm going to combine 2 shallots, coarsely chopped, and 7 Thai chilies, and I'm going to pound them into a paste. Now I'm going to also add a pinch of kosher salt, which is going to act like an abrasive to help break them down. So the goal here is to break everything down into a coarse paste where the chili is evenly broken up into the shallot. Now to this, we're also going to add 7 garlic cloves and continue to pound everything down. So when everything is nice and combined, we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to make our sauce. So in a small bowl here, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We're going to mix well and then set it aside. Okay, so let's move on to our crispy eggs. We're going to heat up a wok on medium-high heat and add about 1/4 cup of oil. Yes, that sounds like a lot of oil, but to make these you need a lot of oil. When that oil is hot, we're going to carefully crack in the egg, and we're just going to fry it until the edges are lightly golden brown, and then carefully take it out and put it on a paper towel to drain. Okay, so when we're finished cooking our eggs, or as many eggs as you need to make, dump off the excess oil into a container for later, and then we're going to add our 1 pound of ground pork into the hot wok. We're going to break it up and stir until the meat is no longer pink, and then at that time we're going to add our shallot and chili paste, and also the lemongrass if you have lemongrass. We're going to continue to stir fry until the meat starts to brown. Now at that point, we're going to add our sauce and stir to combine everything. Now give it a taste and adjust where you need to adjust. Now at this point, if you have holy basil or a Thai basil, we can add it last and kind of toss it through. And then after that, we can remove from heat, and then we are ready to assemble. So again, like last time, the focus on this meal is that it is economical, easy to make, and perfect for a boxed lunch, and Pad Ka Prao is no exception. The sauce that we made was a savory and funky flavors. It uses a light soy sauce and our sweet soy sauce, so it has that delicate balance of the savory, sweet, spicy, and funky, of course, with our fish sauce. Now, of course, if you don't like the crispy fried egg, you can do the hard-boiled egg like we did on this other dish here. We did like an Indonesian-inspired sambal egg, which is just as tasty, so really give it a try.
So that was our recipe for Thai Pad Ka Prao. I hope you enjoyed it. Take it with you, make it yours, and have fun in the kitchen, which brings me to my question of the day. What is your favorite way to utilize ground meat? Now let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like us and subscribe, and we will see you next time.